Hi, I'm Nina with Avid and I'm going to show you how to use the USV32 accessory hose adapter to vacuum seal external jars and canisters. Let's get started. So with the accessory hose adapter, you'll get thorough instructions. You'll get an accessory hose to connect to your external canister, and you'll also get the little rubber accessory adapter. Okay, the process is super simple. First thing you'll want to do is remove the seal bar from the chamber. And then you'll remove this yellow plug that is in the vacuum port. If it's sticky or hard to pull, we suggest twisting to pull it out. Once you've removed the plug, you're going to place the rubber adapter into the vacuum port. It should go in with just a slight press. Once the adapter is in place, you're going to take one end of your hose and twist it into the vacuum port. Now you're going to connect the other end of your hose to your external canister or your vacuum accessory. In this case, we're going to use a mason jar and our jar hood. So we'll go ahead, put the lid on there, place a jar hood on the mason jar, and then we'll put the other end of the hose into the jar hood. Now when it comes to your vacuum time setting, there's no need to change anything because we're only going to run the vacuum time for 5 seconds. So all we have to do is press the auto vac and seal, let it run, or watch the countdown for 5 seconds, and then we're going to press cancel. You'll see the vacuum gauge move. That means it's creating a vacuum inside your container. So let's go. After 5 seconds, your canister should be completely vacuum sealed. It's important not to run it any longer than 5 seconds because you don't want to cause any damage to your jar or your canister. So after the 5 seconds, go ahead and remove the hose. We can remove the adapter, and you'll see that this jar has been completely vacuum sealed, and now it's ready for storage. Once you're finished using the accessory port, you can remove both the hose and the adapter from the vacuum port. Set those aside. We're going to replace the yellow plug back into the vacuum port and place our seal bar back into the chamber. And now the sealer is ready for normal vacuum sealing again.